once you go to F11 accounting features, if this option is enabled, you go to masters account info. There is one button called as budget. So if you can create a budget and you can find it. Say I have made one budget 2020. In my budget, what I've kept is primary budget from the group's ledgers. Say for example, if I go to ledger, say if I wanted to say if I for the salary, if I keep the budget of say for 30,000 for from Jan to December, and if I save this, now this is one I've saved. Now what I'll do is I'll do a transaction of salary. Say I'll click on the payment. I'll say I'll do it via cash and say salary. Say if I do 40,000 of the salary and if I save this, yeah, so payment, yeah, salary is done. Now when you go to your, now I'll just show you report how it will work. Accounts book, sales ledger, okay, sales ledger, and here there is a button called budget variance.
Yes.
Just click on this and it will give you the variance on the budget. I'll just show you. Just ledger, I'll just go to salary, and once you see, it will give you the variance on this budget. What was the variance? I'll just show you. Just 2 minutes.
Yeah, no issue.
Salary, and once you go on, when you go to the period, you just make the blank period, and here it will give you.
There is a alert button automatically. Once you exceed the 50,000, it will give you the alert. Just I want to explain here this point to our attendees so that they can focus on this also, because they have to look at their budgets also now, because what they have to do, they have to revise their budgets also according to their goals, and because everything has changed now, world has changed, everything has changed, scenario has changed. So according to the, like for example, the plans which you have made, the goals you set, so you can change your budgets also, and you can monitor your budget also. So it should not, your expenses should not go beyond the budget. This is my intention to say something here. Here is that the 40,000 thread is showing in the thread side.
So here, once you click the budget,
total is total is 40,000, 3,300 is spended.
Yes, so it gives you the variance over here.
Variance will show. Yeah, like this means there is the option in the report also. So
right.
So please continue.
So what I've done is I've opened this as a indirect expenses in all. It gives you an alert that second thing, now as Mr. Vakka rightly said, that we'll be emphasizing more on the MIS report, which will help you taking a business decision. Say you are into the balance sheet. If you just click here, it will give you a detailed balance sheet. Now, say if you wanted to compare your balance sheet month on month, quarter on quarter, how do you do it? Either you just go to period, you select certain period, and you copy paste, and you can export it in Excel and use it. Now, what you can do is there is a button called as new column. When you click this, when you are at balance sheet, it's under detail. When you click on the auto column, say fortnightly, it gives you an exact comparison of the balance sheet for every 15 days. If you wanted it to monthly, you just go to auto column, say month. With the fraction of the second, it will come. With a click, you have got it. So it is giving for the entire month. You can export, email, print, and as per your requirement, you can use this. Likewise, into the balance sheet over here, as you might be knowing that we have a very beautiful feature which is called drill down feature. Say if you go to current asset, sundry debtors, when you click this, it will give you all, can go in the depth of the transaction. Likewise, see, when you press escape, you'll come back. Now when you're at the profit and loss, same ways, if you wanted to compare daily wise profit, monthly wise profit, you just have to click, say daily, monthly, fortnightly, quarterly, and things like that. Say daily, it will give me day wise. If I go to profit and loss, I'll just go to auto column. If I say monthly, it will give you monthly. And if I am an accountant, if I am handling accounts for 2 or more companies, if I wanted to see what is happening in my 2-3 companies, how is my profit running here and there, if you wanted to compare 2 companies and see the profit and loss and balance sheet, how to do it, that is also very simple. You just have to go here, select the company, say I'll select JK Electronics. This is a backup which is taking automatically. I'll go to Amaris Building Material here. When I go, click on profit and loss. Again, it's a detailed version of the profit and loss auto column, and say here there is a when 2 companies are selected, it will give you an option of company. When I select this, it will give you a profit and loss comparison between Amaris Building Material and JK Electronics. So this is where it will help you a lot for taking the decision what is happening in one company, what are your profits, what are your receivables, or what is your purchase, what is your indirect incomes and things like that. You can use this. So this is what I'll just show you one more thing. So there is one enhancement which has been developed by partner Albuch Consultancy. So it says owner dashboard. So this will not be come in your by default tally. Once you click on the owner dashboard, it gives you an entire summary of your company, where it's standing, what is happening in your company, and things like that. So you can see cash flow, fund flow, outstanding, fixed asset, liability, net profit at one click of the button. So this is, we call it ODB report, which is called owner dashboard report. Okay, this I'll hand over to Mr. Wakkar if he has anything to add over here also. I was just in the agenda, I was saying why Albuch Consultancy, right? Why Albuch Consultancy? He is a one-stop solution with 18 years plus experience in business expertise as a consultant, as a business coach. He's just a call away from you when it comes to assistance, and he'll set up things accordingly. So, and he's one of the esteemed partner with us. He's been connected from a very long time now. So if you need any assistance, yeah, Albuch Consultancy is the right one person contact person solution. Now I have just kept the contact detail of Mr. Wakkar, his name, mobile number, email ID, website, and his mobile number and the calling number. Mr. Wakkar, if you have anything, you can add over here.
I want to add something. Yeah, thank you very much for your time, Yusuf, as a team member of Tally, and really excellent, fantastic report, which is dashboard which you have showed. This is the one report in your hand as an owner, as a decision maker. Everything, you don't have to ask department to department, person to person. At one report, you can see all the expenses, sales, purchase, whatever the point you want to see, total amount, total sales, total cash, banks, every position. So this is the one fantastic report which will helpful for the decision, right? The one thing. And the one more thing I would say, as a expert, now Tally has an online option also. So don't worry about for the online point of view also. Wherever in the world you are, you can use the Tally software, and you can review your financials, you can take your decisions. From my side, I can say, again, as an expert, you have to look at today. The world has changed, today's scenario has changed. Is your business is growing or stuck? So you have to take the decision. Are you facing some issues? Your financials, your records, those who you are helping to for the decision taking point of view, it is the right way, or you have to take some decision for some good software side, some fast track smart software side, where you can get just single click all the things in just few seconds. So this is the main point which I want to share. You have to focus on your goals. As a business owner, you have to focus on your goals, and we can, as an expert, we can support you so that you can run your business according to your plan, according to your vision, according to your mission, what you have. So my job role is, if you are using a Tally software, you are getting some complete reports. As an expert, I can support you for your business growth and profitability side, especially for the strategic plan right now, which is we required, how we can survive, how we can thrive. So this is the main thing which I want to share. So again, thank you very much, Yusuf, and your team, your company. So thanks a lot. You can contact me. Anyone if you're interested, they can contact me on my email ID, and they can send WhatsApp also. Call me. My pleasure to serve. Thank you, Yusuf. Over to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for connecting. Thank you so much for giving a vote of thanks, sir. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure. And configure the TTL with you. With this we sign off today. If you have anything, you can call Mr. Bakkar and get that. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay compliant. Thank you.